Checklist for choosing a therapist or a coach for deep, fast, and lasting change. Part 1 of 2. Do they believe in your ability to get beyond your issues for good? Or are they going to make you feel even worse? Perhaps hopeless simply because they have their own limiting belief around healing, that it's impossible. It's way too common in the mental health, empowerment, and personal development industries. They must see you as your very best version of yourself, or they'll become part of a new problem for you, and you'll waste your money. Most therapists are taught during their training that change can only occur slowly, and this causes them to assume you have the rest of your life to work on yourself. This is just a limiting belief because real-life wake-up calls really happen to people all the time. A therapist without this belief is more likely to get you an outcome. Ask them what they believe about you changing your life, and if they can put their money where their mouth is and make a guarantee. Does it come with a money-back outcome-based guarantee, so you know it's the last money you'll spend on that issue? Or are they unsure, so they charge by sessions with no outcome talked about? This always appears to be a cheaper option, but rarely ends the problem. This is the band-aid solution we're all used to in this industry, and that's because of the lack of confidence and hope. Is their process, tool, or modality constructed for your female brain and how it works? By this I mean, do they understand the difference that matters? Do they understand women are emotionally and mentally hardwired uniquely female? Males and females really do function very differently on the inside realm, in the way of how we perceive the world, people, and ourselves. This sex filter sits over the top of perception, fueled by emotion-inducing hormones. See part 2 for the rest of the list.